Great. Diseases, no great.
Hi, I'm Haley. I'm a student physical therapist. I'm here to help you with independence, your posterior
September 1st, 1962.
Awesome. And can I check your wristband?
Yeah, of course.
Great, that matches. So first I'm going to have you
Going to have the patient sit up in bed and then rotate 90 degrees so that their back is facing directly towards the wheelchair. For an independent anterior-posterior transfer, the therapist is going to position the wheelchair, remove the leg rest, and maneuver it so that the seat articulates with the side of the bed. They're going to ensure the wheels are locked and, if necessary, raise or lower the bed so that it is on the same level as the seat of the chair.
So John, I'll have you start scooting.
Then, the therapist is going to guide the patient to be able to position their hands firmly on the armrest of the chair and simultaneously support the chair by standing behind it so that the patient has a stable base to pull from. For a dependent anterior-posterior transfer, the therapist is going to recruit an assistant for the transfer. The assistant can be an aide or a family member. The therapist is going to explain the transfer process to the aide or family member before the transfer and answer any questions they may have about the process. Next, they're going to help the patient rotate 90 degrees so that their back is facing directly towards the wheelchair. The therapist supports the patient beneath their axilla and the assistant supports the patient beneath their ankles. The therapist should count down so that the therapist and assistant can perform the transfer at the same time. The therapist will pull the patient over the sideboard and onto the wheelchair so that their lower back is firmly situated in the chair. While performing this transfer, make sure to observe proper body mechanics. When the patient is comfortable, the therapist is going to remove the sideboard and situate their legs properly.
Perfect.